Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of Interview Bootcamp. In the last video, we talked about how companies actually hire. We saw that before your technical interview, your resume goes through multiple filters. Today I want to answer a very practical question. If you have found a job you like, how do you actually prepare for it? Not by watching random YouTube videos, not by downloading another PDF. I want to show you the exact process I would follow if I were preparing for an interview today. So this is the same approach I would recommend to developers because it keeps your preparation focused instead of overwhelming. So let's open a real job description together. Whenever I look at a job description, I don't start by asking what should I study. I ask a different question. Why is this company hiring this role? Let's use this engineering manager position as an example. I am not going to read every single line. I am looking for patterns. Look at this. The first thing they mention is driving technical. Then they talk about leading engineering team. After that, they mentioned working closely with product managers and implementation teams, and also they also expect someone who can build and mentor teams. Now let's look at the requirements. They want 12 plus years of experience. They expect experience with Java, J2E, cloud technologies, agile, microservices, Kubernetes, Kafka, and modern architecture. But here is something interesting. None of these technologies are the real story. The real pattern is this: they are looking for someone who can lead people, take technical decisions, collaborate across teams, and take ownership. That tells me something important. This interview won't just test technical knowledge. It will test leadership, system design, thinking, communication, and decision making. Once I understand that, I know exactly what I need to prepare. That's how I reverse engineer every interview. Now I create a very simple preparation document, nothing fancy, just 4 sections. First, technical. Sorry, technical. Second would be leadership. Third would be project. The last one would be behavior. Then I start filling it under technical, the list of the technologies the company cares about, right? Under leadership, I write down situations where I led a team, resolved conflicts, or handled difficult decisions. Under projects, I note the 2 or 3 projects that best demonstrate my experience. And under behavioral, I prepare stories that shows my ownership, collaboration, and problem solving skills. This become my interview preparation. Here is the mistake I see many developers make. They spend hours studying topics that never come up, not because they are lazy, because they never let the job description guide their preparation. Every interview is different. Every company has different priorities. If you prepare the same way for every interview, you are making your job harder than it needs to be. Now I compare my resume with the job description. Let's say the role emphasizes the leadership. Can someone reading my resume immediately see evidence of leadership? If the role values system design, have I highlighted architecture decisions over technical ownership? If teamwork is important, have I shown collaboration across the team? I am not changing my experience. I am making sure my experience answers the company's questions. That's a very different mindset. Before we finish, I want to give you one exercise. Don't apply to 5 more jobs today. Instead, pick one job that genuinely interests you. Read the job description carefully, and create the same 4 sections we created today: technical, leadership, projects, behavioral. Now spend 30 minutes filing them in using your own experience. By the time you are done, you will have a focused preparation plan for that specific role. That's far more valuable than studying random interview questions. If there is one lesson I want you to remember today, is this: a job description isn't just a list of requirements, it's the company's way of telling you what success looks like in that role. The better you understand that, the more focused your preparation becomes. In tomorrow's session, we will use this same job description to build a resume that clearly communicates your value to recruiters and hiring managers. Thank you for watching. I will see you in day 4.